Alright, here we go. What's up everybody and welcome. It's bright and early here. We actually have to get Brutus loaded up so we can head down to Apollo Beach where we're going to check out a Regal. So let's get him loaded. Alright, we're headed off the island. We're actually headed to a 36XO Regal. Same exact boat from Friday's episode at the very end, except for this time it has a Fisher Panda. So I'll see you down there. Alright, so we made it out to our Regal. This is actually a brand new 2022 36XO. So it has a Fisher Panda, which I guess the exhaust temperature is what the code was, which usually is the water pump. So I'm going to jump downstairs and check it out. So last code in the system, exhaust manifold temperature is high. So let's fire it up and see if it pumps water. Looks like she was pumping water, but she's fluctuating and she just shut off all by herself. Let's do some investigating. Alright, after checking some things out and talking to the customer, I actually have two things that happen here. The first was the overheat was actually from him getting seagrass in the strainer. The good thing about Fisher Panda is if it loses water pressure on the exhaust side, it will automatically shut itself down. That actually saves your water pump most of the time. The second thing is we have a full tank of fuel right now, and a lot of times what happens is you get to a certain level, it actually will starve itself. That will cause it to do that hiccuping it was. So I bled the fuel system. We've been running for probably 20 minutes now. I'm gonna let it run for a little while. We got everything on. No more surging, no more shutting off. Got almost 28 amps going right now. That's both air conditioners and our battery chargers working. It's putting out exactly what it should. Get 60 hertz, just where it should be. That being said, I'm gonna let this one run for a little bit longer before I pack it up. Today's video is actually pretty repetitive. A lot of my videos might start to become repetitive because of what I do. So right now, since I know both pretty well, I'm going to work on my editing skills and my storytelling skills for you guys. So you know what to do. Push all those buttons down below if you want all the notifications, if you like what I'm doing here. And I'll see you at the next boat. Alright, we're back on my side of the bridge here. And we got us a brand new Windlass. So let's go fix it. Well, hi, pretty. I don't know what happened here. It's kind of sad. It's the last time this thing's ever. Anyway, out with the old and with the new. Let's do it. Alright, let's unhook our anchor and get that chain out of the way. Now we gotta get our bolts undone and our wiring undone. Alright, she's free. Let's get her out of there. Alright, let's get our new one prepared. Ready to go. Alright, got our wiring heat shrunk and our chain wrapped through it. Let's get her back in the hole. Alright, let's get our wiring tied up and our nuts back on here. Alright, bolted and wired. Let's not forget to attach our anchor here. There we go. Now let's see if it works. Alright, as you can see, our Grady's working. That's it for today. I'm all done. I'm gonna pack her up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. You ready to go home, Brutus?